students. In this session, discuss 12th standard chemistry, packing efficiency of phase center cubic. The phase center cubic is the CCP based cubic close packing. After the discuss next class. So cubic close packing in based on the FCC unit, phase center cubic unit. So same, the cubic, all corner atom also present 1/4%, and center of the 6 faces of cubic, center of every atom is present is the phase center cubic. So first triangle ABC is calculate AC equal to, this is a 2R or 4R, AC equal to 4R. So triangle ABC is a Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared, and AC equal to root AB squared plus BC squared, and AC equal to apply AB squared is a functions, AB equal to A, BC equal to A area. So area is apply given of the data AC. So A squared plus A squared 2A squared root 2A squared. So 2A into A, remove of root, AC equal to A root 2 or 2 root 2A. So AC value applied to the position 4R equal to A2, R value equal to A root 2 by 4. That equation to apply, volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi r cube, volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube, with radius of R value substitute root 2A by 4 whole cube is the R position, R value substitute. The cube root is also in inner side follow, 4/3 pi same, root 3 cube, A cube, 4 cube. So root 3 cube apply, root 2 cube apply. So 2 root 2, 1 2 is also remove, balance root 2 into 2 A cube. The 4 cube apply, 4 into 4 into 4, the cancellations of 4. So 2 table cancel, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 2, balance root 2 pi A3, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So root 2 pi A cube divided 24. Already calculate packing efficiency of single unit cell FCC. Number of corner atom 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of body center phase center atom, every centered in the every phase 3 pair. So total 6 divided 2. Every opposite pair is also 2 pair. So cancel 1 3 to total 4. So apply of the volume of sphere within the phase center cubic value, multiply with 4 into root 2 pi A cube divided 24. So cancel 6, 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24. Packing efficiency root 2 pi A cube divided 6 whole divided volume of cube A into A equal to A cube. So packing efficiency volume of A cube whole divided into packing efficiency of multiply with 100. multiply with 100, a cube the reciprocal, so root 2 pi a cube 6 into 1 by a cube into 100, so a cube cancel, so root 2 pi, root 2 value 1.414, pi value 3.14 into 100 divided 6, so multiple with the divided 6, face center cubic packing efficiency of 74%. So repeat of the packing efficiency procedure. The cubic closed packing based on the face center cubic unit cell. The cubic of R value is 4R equal to AC of the triangle, the A B C, the AC of triangle equal to 4R. So 4R identification formula is the Pythagorean theorem based AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So remove of the squared, LHS square root of RHS side. So AC value based on AC equal to root 2A. The root 2A apply equal to 4R. 4R equal to A root 2. R equal to A root 2 by 4. So volume of the sphere 4 by 3. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That R value substitute the position A root 2 by 4 or root 2A by 4 whole cube is also apply formula. Next inner apply of the cube root 2 cube A cube 4 cube. And next step root 2 apply 2 into 2 into 2 2 root 2 remove of the 1 2 and expand form of 4 cube. So cancellation 4 cancel, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So above the step root 2 pi a cube and down the side 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Next you will be calculate single FCC unit value 4, multiply with the formula identification. So multiply with value, cancel of dividing, 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24. In apply with the packing efficiency volume of cubic in A cube formula. So root 2 pi A cube divided 6 whole divided A cube into 100%. So root 2 pi A cube divided packing efficiency divided 6 into 1 by A cube into 100%. Calculate of packing efficiency A cube cancel, volume of cubic cancel, and root 2 by 6 into 100. Root 2 value 1.414, pi value multiply with 3.14 into 100 divided whole divided 6. That value multiply with the divided position face center cubic, 74% occupied of the every cubic atom in packing efficiency of face center cubic based on the crystals. Thank you to all.